Perlu ngilai sekali ka kesait om dek kesait kapul buat bedon lang kesait ini like lengkot tinggiwan ni gilum mithui thawr ka lenti baik tei te don sawai ngimti bra kaya in lenti tip sei i kuma lenti sudah tingnya na yat pek kan long nu ngilam nem mo teki bamurwan seni yang atrai piap pe bhayu ni mah ya Indonesia tei kalenti stay gede bendai tingin ya stay namar ni kepaya brio te perlok kani kalenti nang tei ya te kanwan seni ti yam gitu arngut bayat ti bopong li basau tu de lentul ti ate am ngan ni phim ta saj bai in ni katung ini lai mentah mo ini ai nang ni kalong penok ha teng ya ni tu ti la pois kalenti ka sulong penok dayak nani nalai lengkot tenang nalai morok ngamti bre tinggi ya ini nalai lengkot yak ba menta ka sulong penok lenti. Oh my goodness, look how it is. We have to go down. Look at them, two of them are ahead and we have to go that one. Look, that one, waterfall and pool. The way for those who are beginner is not easy. So come, those want to visit this place. It's now it's a most trending, most popular in Meghalaya right now because this waterfall is there's water. Summer, monsoon, spring is there is water. So those want to come. What I will say, the way is quite danger, but if you walk slowly and steady, it's okay. Hey, be careful, hey! I'll show you. Look. Halfway she ran like a deer, and now she's walking like a tortoise or snail, similar to that. Now she is nothing, but she is walking. We used to walk in a minute, but she walked in hour. We almost reaching down. Look at that. Why are you laughing? I'm trying to speak in English.
But she's making fun of me.
But she's making fun of my English pronunciation. But it's okay. Those who want to laugh, let them laugh.
I can speak.
Those who want to comment anything, let them do. But I'll try my best to speak English. So those who don't understand Khasil, so they will understand. So it's not easy to trek, but for us, I mean for me, because I used to trek every time, it's quite easy. But going up, it will be so difficult. Especially for her. I have to help her. So sorry guys, my English pronunciation is problem. Don bawan ni mat nang tei mat don bawan sini deh. Baik kalenti. Kalau tu hap suja sentui baik. Tinggi. Baik beli ni. Ni lah kamsuk. Ngamtip dainem nil tinang niru. Yang lại pois non hagni gawa. Kidon gini ki bawan na gawe pakalanti. Tuan la kajong kalanti gini, kidon la kajong grup. Ye bun ha. Tigi la don nanti. Tigi tay gawe, cakang tay gawe nang. Bapli ni habyat jai. Ye gawe kadon serumah. Ngewan na te na jerong. Sani spot. Jam tu na jerong ni mau. Ni gawe. Apa ni pi? Habyat nang tu.
Aku, sampai di dalam.
Pengen pi mentah. Kan cakap apa best bah. Baik itu perlok kidang ya. Kidang sipoi. Son grup tum he kamera. Baik itu. Wow. Baik. Anu sing tenang. Nang tei kawan ko. Kang sendur. Dia perlu kadai gini ke cakap bun banwan. Dep kini ngihap lek sak gawe seperti serum. Tapi ni cakap bengawan mentah. Ai mai. Okay. Kai komen, like, share pas subscribe lama. Tena lor jong kete ngin lek sak gawe pat. Badai gawe kelang naga ini seperti serum. Dia sai pe hang ni ngila ya dep jingi ai. Tinggal di rumah. Pelat bawana like morok. Kakam suk bar kakam aram nomarwa. Kila snagi try senong. Kenang tu kawe stay. Ye kebangin like ngimtas akan ni kawe. Hang kia harum, kiang kia. Tingin nyai nang ni ke. Tapi wan like morok kalanti kakam suk. Tapi wan like lengkot kalanti ka jenja. Dia perlu ngilap poi suk ni kawe nang te nang ngiwan mana. Kumtu kadang kalanti. Nang tu ngihat tena di nang ta pek yang pen EP klik cong kini tentu ditenap ha. Oh my god, nang tu ngiyak stikin badong iki mah baik. Ini ko tengah kreat lah kan ni. Sini kedai kuai. Okay, tem tu. Kuai kelang. Ke bang ida wan stay kedai ka. Kuai telai. Ni kalau nak sedih kebaya jan mah, kita don bakwan, silap banwan, ni pak gai, silap ban yo gai. Okay, dekat baik senam ha. Tim nama bil ada tuan.